everyone, most welcome in bio class. As you know very well that we are discussing chapter number 6 and the name of the chapter is tissues. In tissues we have discussed plant tissues, animal tissues. In animal tissue we have discussed about epithelial tissue, means protecting and covering tissue. In today's topic we will discuss contracting and relaxing tissue that carrying out movements of body parts or body organs. So dear student, why we are discussing this tissue? You are very familiar about the muscle. हमारी बॉडी में कई मसल्स है, आप जानते हो बाइसेप है, ट्राइसेप्स है और भी कई मसल्स है. अब ये बाइसेप ट्राइसेप्स के अलावा इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स आर आल्सो जस्ट कंपोज ऑफ this tissue. That's why contraction and relaxation take place. So dear student, why we are studying this tissue? Because many functions can be take place due to this tissue, like movement, locomotion, posture. Movement means just movement of my hand, movement of neck means particular part of the body. And locomotion just whole body is just moving one place to another. Here that is locomotion. So this movement and locomotion can take place in plant tissue. Movement can take place in plant, but locomotion cannot take place. क्योंकि जब आपको पढ़ाया था अगर प्लांट को सर्दी लग रही है, गर्मी लगती है, तो क्या अपनी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह वो चलकर जाते हैं क्या? नहीं ना. तो उनकी स्ट्रक्चर में इंटरनली खुद अपने आप को क्या करते हैं, उससे प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, उसमें इस टाइप के टिश्यू होते हैं. बट वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट एनिमल टिश्यू. हमारी बॉडी में टिश्यू है, उसका नाम है मस्कुलर टिश्यू or muscle tissue. So what are the general characteristic feature? Just you can see here, this tissue is composed of muscle cell or fiber. Fiber means if you will see microscope, it will look like fiber. Muscle fiber, they are elongated and large in size, means elongated, and they contain contractile protein present, means as the name is there, contractile protein means protein name is not in your NCERT book. If you can learn the name of the two protein, that is actin and myosin. They will help in contraction and relaxation. So function is there, contraction and relaxation, which help in movements of your body parts. So these are the general characteristics. Now according to their function, location and structure, they are of different types. First skeletal, second is smooth, and third is cardiac. In today's video, just I will discuss only one type, that is skeletal tissue. Just I have written different names here. What is the reason? There is some logic. Skeletal muscles, because they attach to skeletal, means हमारी जितने skeletal है, आपके vertebral column है, bones है, different neck में, आपके लेग्स में, उनसे क्या होंगे, ये अटैच्ड होगा ये वाला मसल टिश्यू. अगेन आई हैव रिटन स्ट्रेटेड. स्ट्रेटेड मीन्स बेंड्स, अल्टरनेट डार्क एंड लाइट बेंड्स, और वी कैन से स्ट्राइप्स आर देयर. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर आल्सो कॉल्ड स्ट्रेटेड मसल. एंड थर्ड, जस्ट आई हैव रिटन वॉलंटरी मसल्स. वॉलंटरी मीन्स these muscles are under our control of will. Means जब हम मैम चाहेंगे लिखना तभी लिख पाएंगे, जब हम वॉकिंग करना चाहेंगे तभी हम कर पाएंगे. Means they are under our control. So that's why different names are there. So just before starting characteristic features, just I am going to explain with diagram so you can learn easily all the characteristic features of this muscle fiber. Just you can see shape, long, cylindrical. Here you can say ends are there. They are not tapering. Again, you can see dark band and between that light band. So alternate dark and light bands are present. That's why they are called the striated. And again, this muscle fiber is covered with a thin membrane, that is sarcolemma. We have studied in cell that cell is covered, plant cell and animal cell, they are covered with plasma membrane. Same word, instead of plasma membrane we have to learn sarcolemma. And here instead of cytoplasm we have to learn sarcoplast. तो जस्ट प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की जगह आपको क्या लर्न करना है, सार्कोलेमा, और साइटोप्लाज्म की जगह आपको क्या करना है, सार्कोप्लास्ट. And there are contractile elements are there. They are called the myofibril or sarcostyle. This is the, just you have to keep first diagram, then you can write easily all the characteristic features. Just long, elongated, cylindrical and non-tapering. Means their ends are not in this line. This is the tapering end. We will discuss in another muscle tissue. They are unbranched. Means branching is not there. And again, multinucleated. You can see here in this picture, different nucleus. आपको कई सारे nucleus दिख रहे हैं, many nucleus. That's why they are multinucleated. And special feature is there, they are peripheral region. Means nucleus होंगे, but they will be situated in peripheral region. And again, striations or strips are present, dark or light bands. That's why they are called striated. And they are easily fatigued. ये बहुत जल्दी से थक जाएंगी. आप वर्कआउट करते हो, आप जानते हो, आप थक जाते हो, कुछ समय बाद आप लगातार नहीं कर सकते. Because these muscle easily fatigue. And they are fast in movement. Their nature क्या है? Fast. And now I think you have understood some characteristic feature. Now what are the function? Just I have discussed movement, locomotion. So main important function is help in body movement. Different movement are there, contraction and relaxation. Just this is contraction and this is relaxation. Means in hands movement, feet movement, different limbs, जो भी movement होंगे, they can take place due to their skeletal muscle. अब now some internal organs are also there. उनकी wall किसकी बनी होती है? Skeletal muscle. Means like diaphragm is there, neck is there, and lungs. These are also made up of, and most important you have to learn tongue. Tongue is also a strong muscle. It is made up of this tissue. So, dear student, it also maintain your body posture. आपको पता है आपके बॉडी में पूरा स्केलेटल सिस्टम है. हेड से स्टार्ट कर दो, नेक, रिब्स, ऑल दीज आर देयर. तो उन सब से क्या हो रहा होगा, अटैच क्या होती है, मसल्स होती हैं. तो बिगर मसल के आपके बॉडी का प्रॉपर पोस्चर मेंटेन नहीं हो पाएगा. पोस्चर मीन्स व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग, व्हेन यू आर स्टैंडिंग, तो दे विल मेंटेन योर बॉडी पोस्चर. सो आई थिंक you have understood about the function. So function, main function you have to learn in this tissue, that means they are strong and powerful and undergo rapid contraction and expansion. These muscles become tired due to continuous use for a long time, and so they need rest. And again, these muscles provide force for locomotion and all other voluntary movement of the body part. So I think In today's video, you have understood general characteristics of muscle tissue or muscle fiber, we can say, and skeletal muscles. In next video, we will discuss another type of muscle tissue, that is smooth muscle and cardiac muscle. Till then, goodbye.